Welcome to the CSCS mock test. 50 questions. How many can you get right? How should you position your hands when lifting a load safely? A. Close together. B. Over the top edge. C. Under the load with the load balanced in the center. D. One hand above, one hand below. The correct answer is C. Under the load with the load balanced in the center. How should a safety harness fit to provide effective protection? A. Loosely for comfort. B. Snugly to distribute fall forces. C. Only at the shoulders. D. Tightly to prevent any movement. The correct answer is B. Snugly to distribute fall forces. How can workers be encouraged to follow safety signs? A. By ignoring warnings. B. By threatening penalties. C. By explaining the importance. D. By varying the signs frequently. The correct answer is C, by explaining the importance. What is the benefit of having an Employee Assistance Program, EAP, in place? A. Decreasing sick leave, providing a support system for personal and work-related issues. C. Increasing workload. D. Avoiding HR involvement. The correct answer is B, providing a support system for personal and work-related issues. Who is responsible for creating and updating the health and safety file under CDM Regulations 2015? A. The client. B. The principal designer. C. The contractor. D. The health and safety executive. The correct answer is B. The principal designer. What should be the first step in a risk assessment process? A. Evaluating the cost of safety measures. B. Identifying the hazards. C. Consulting with external auditors. D. Hiring new employees. The correct answer is B. Identifying the hazards. What is a crucial requirement for ensuring the effectiveness of a respiratory protection program? A. High fashion RPE. B. Selection of the most costly equipment. C. Regular fit testing and training. D. Ad hoc equipment selection. The correct answer is C. Regular fit testing and training. Why must highway construction workers undergo specific safety training? A. To learn advanced construction techniques. B. To comply with health and safety regulations. C. To improve physical fitness. D. To understand local traffic laws. The correct answer is B. To comply with health and safety regulations. What is the main risk of using electrical equipment in wet conditions? A. The equipment might become damaged. B. It could cause an electric shock. C. It might not perform well. D. It could increase electricity bills. The correct answer is B. It could cause an electric shock. What is the impact of poor leadership on a construction project's safety outcomes? A. Improved safety standards. B. Negligible impact if workers are experienced. C. Increased risk of accidents and non-compliance. D. Higher team morale. The correct answer is C. Increased risk of accidents and non-compliance. Why should canteen areas be kept separate from work areas? A. To improve food quality. B. To provide a quiet space. C. To maintain hygiene to control noise levels. The correct answer is C. To maintain hygiene. Which of the following is a benefit of using low-impact construction methods? A. Higher project costs. B. Reduced environmental footprint of the project. C. Extended project duration. D. Increased pollution levels. The correct answer is B. Reduced environmental footprint of the project. What is the purpose of the pre-construction information that must be provided according to CDM Regulations 2015? A. To detail financial risks. B. To outline health and safety hazards and controls. C. To lay out the project's marketing strategy. D. To provide a timeline for media releases. The correct answer is B. To outline health and safety hazards and controls. What should site workers do when they hear a reversing alarm from plant machinery? A. Continue working as usual. B. Move to a designated safe area. C. Assist the operator by guiding the vehicle. D. Ignore the alarm if the operator can see them. The correct answer is B. Move to a designated safe area. What should you do if no one is immediately available to report an accident? A. Wait until someone returns. B. Leave the site immediately. C. Call the site manager directly. D. Record the incident yourself. The correct answer is C. Call the site manager directly. What is the required temperature for washing facilities on construction sites? A. Room temperature. B. Hot and cold water must be available. C. Cold water only. D. Hot water only. The correct answer is B. Hot and cold water must be available. Which of the following is a disposable type of RPE? A. Full-face respirator. PSTC. Supplied air respirator. The correct answer is C. FFP3 mask. Which of the following is a potential fire hazard? A. Wooden scaffolding. B. Stored oily rags. C. Insulated electrical wires. D. Wet sand. The correct answer is B. Stored oily rags. Which facility is not a requirement on a construction site? A. Sanitary conveniences. B. Canteen serving hot food. C. Suitable changing rooms. D. Washing facilities. The correct answer is B. Canteen serving hot food. What should be avoided when lifting heavy loads with a crane? A. Using guide ropes. B. Preparing a lift plan. C. Swinging the load excessively. D. Communicating with the lifting team. The correct answer is C. Swinging the load excessively. What is the risk of using equipment with frayed electrical cords? A. Short circuit only. B. Electric shock and fire. C. Faster tool operation. D. No risk if used carefully. The correct answer is B. Electric shock and fire. What should be done if a manual handling task involves moving a load with sharp edges? A. Lift it quickly to avoid injury. B. Wrap or cover the edges. C. Move it in pairs. D. Use a longer route. The correct answer is B. Wrap or cover the edges. What is a significant factor that can enhance mental health support systems on construction sites? A. Reducing mental health conversations to annual reviews. B. Regular updates and evaluation of support systems. C. Restricting access to mental health resources. Eliminating support roles. The correct answer is B. Regular updates and evaluation of support systems. What action should be taken if a site vehicle's horn is not working? A. Use hand signals instead. B. Continue operating with caution. C. Report it immediately and do not use the vehicle. D. Use a whistle for signaling. The correct answer is C. Report it immediately and do not use the vehicle. Why are regular noise assessments important in the workplace? A. To identify new sources of noise. B. To check for electrical faults. C. To ensure tools are sharp. D. To calculate employee bonuses. The correct answer is A. To identify new sources of noise. What is an important consideration when providing CPR to a child? A. Use full force like you would for adults. B. Check for parental consent first. C. Ensure minimal pressure and use one hand for compressions. D. Perform compressions at a slower rate than for adults. The correct answer is C. Ensure minimal pressure and use one hand for compressions. In a multi-employer construction site, who is primarily responsible for organizing welfare facilities? A. The main contractor. B. Each individual employer. C. The health and safety executive. D. The site manager. The correct answer is A. The main contractor. Why is it important to have safety signs clearly displayed on site? A. To reduce the cost of insurance. B. To ensure workers meet project deadlines. C. To communicate hazards and instructions effectively. D. To meet aesthetic requirements. The correct answer is C, to communicate hazards and instructions effectively. How often should the construction phase plan be reviewed under CDM Regulations 2015? A. Once at the start of the project. B. Regularly to reflect any changes on site. C. At the end of the project. D. Annually regardless of project duration. The correct answer is B. Regularly to reflect any changes on site. What is a potential consequence of poor housekeeping practices? A. Reduced work efficiency. B. Increased risk of fire. Fewer safety inspections. D. Improved worker morale. The correct answer is B. Increased risk of fire. What must be done if an employee has facial hair that affects RPE fit? A. Ignore the issue. B. Select loose-fitting RPC, request the employee to shave or provide alternative RPE. D. Use tape to secure the RPE. The correct answer is C. Request the employee to shave or provide alternative RPE. Which of these substances is less likely to require RPE for protection? A. Silica dust. B. Asbestos fibers. C. Clean water mist, lead fumes. The correct answer is C. Clean water mist. Why is regular maintenance of fire extinguishers important? A. To improve their aesthetic. B. To ensure they are safe and effective. C. To reduce costs. D. To enhance their capacity. The correct answer is B. To ensure they are safe and effective. What are the key reasons for workers to return PPE after use? A. To ensure it is available for others. B. To get a monetary refund. C. To allow for inspection, cleaning, and maintenance. D. To report its performance. The correct answer is C. To allow for inspection, cleaning, and maintenance. When should a COSHH assessment be reviewed? A. Every 10 years. B. Only if there has been an accident. C. Whenever there is a significant change in the work process. D. After every work shift. The correct answer is C. Whenever there is a significant change in the work process. What is the maximum permissible exposure time for an 85 dB noise level to avoid hearing damage? A. 8 hours. B. 4 hours. C. 1 hour. The correct answer is A. 8 hours. According to CDM Regulations 2015, what is a designer's responsibility if they foresee risks in their design? A. Ignore the risks if they are minor. B. Discuss and mitigate the risks within the design team. C. Transfer the risk to the contractor. D. Pass the risk information to the client. The correct answer is B. Discuss and mitigate the risks within the design team. Who is responsible for managing risks in excavation work? A. The site manager. B. The health and safety officer. C. Every worker on site. D. The excavation contractor. The correct answer is A. The site manager. What is the purpose of providing seating in rest areas on a construction site? A. To ensure workers do not leave the site. B. To provide comfort and relaxation. C. To facilitate team meetings. D. To meet legal requirements. The correct answer is B. To provide comfort and relaxation. How does job rotation contribute to managing vibration exposure? A. By ensuring only one worker is exposed. B. By reducing the amount of time individuals are exposed. C. By keeping workers static. D. By increasing the total exposure time. The correct answer is B. By reducing the amount of time individuals are exposed. What is a critical factor in PPE effectiveness? A. The price of the equipment. B. Proper usage and maintenance. C. The color of the gear. D. The material used for manufacture. The correct answer is B. Proper usage and maintenance. What is the function of PPE in the hierarchy of controls? A. First line of defense. B. Last line of defense. C. Eliminate hazard. D. Reduce hazard. The correct answer is B. Last line of defense. When should PPE be used on a construction site? A. Only when there is an immediate hazard. B. When risk assessment indicates it is required. C. Only during severe weather conditions. D. PPE can be used at the worker's discretion. The correct answer is B. When risk assessment indicates it is required. What is the main reason for reporting accidents and near misses? A. To blame someone for the incident. B. To find out who did not follow procedures. C. To prevent similar incidents in the future. D. To fill out necessary paperwork. The correct answer is C. To prevent similar incidents in the future. Which of the following describes pre-construction information as required by CDM 2015? A. A financial report. B. Information about site security. C. Health and safety information needed by designers and contractors. D. Project timelines and deadlines. The correct answer is C. Health and safety information needed by designers and contractors. Why is it critical to use the right fire extinguisher for the type of fire? A. To ensure the extinguisher lasts longer. B. To ensure effective suppression and prevent further hazards. C. To reduce the need for maintenance. D. To save on refill costs. The correct answer is B. To ensure effective suppression and prevent further hazards. Which leadership quality can help in resolving conflicts effectively in construction? A. Ignoring conflicts until they resolve themselves. B. Assertive communication that addresses and resolves issues. C. Avoiding those involved in the conflict. D. Delegating conflict resolution to human resources. The correct answer is B. Assertive communication that addresses and resolves issues. What is the best action to take if your clothing catches fire? A. Run to get help. B. Stay still until help arrives. C. Stop, drop, and roll. D. Try to remove the clothing. The correct answer is C. Stop, drop, and roll. What is a common symptom of heat stress that workers should be aware of? A. Shivering. B. Excessive thirst. C. Loss of balance. D. Sudden cravings for salty food. The correct answer is B. Excessive thirst. Which accidents must be recorded in the accident book? A. Only those requiring an ambulance. B. Every occurrence regardless of severity. C. Only fatal incidents. D. Only property damage cases. The correct answer is B. Every occurrence regardless of severity. Practice the full mock test free at cscsmocktest.uk.